Dear viewers, we have completed everything of for that model. Okay, so in this lecture I'm just going to show that how we'll create our ground floor level or ground floor wall with plinth level, and also how we'll create our roof. Okay, so let's start. And here you are seeing that there have also a approach. So how also we'll create that, also I'll show you about it. All right, so for that, what I'll do actually, I'll just go to ground floor. So when I'll come here, and after that I will just, obviously you have to come here ground floor, because we'll create that in ground floor. And in ground floor I'll just come here architecture, and from here I'll just come here floor. So I'll simply click here floor, and you are seeing that they have generic 12-inch floor, but I need 4 inch. So I'll just modify that here, generic 24, and then I'll click edit type. Okay, and from here obviously I'll just create a duplicate. Not will be, that will be actually, or that value will be plinth level and plinth 24. Okay, 24 inch I'll consider that. So okay, and also we have to click here edit, and here I'll just keep 2 feet. Then okay, this is 2 feet, and also it is okay. Then okay, so here this is 20 feet, and level, what will be the level actually? Ground floor level. Where we'll create that? In ground floor level. Okay, and obviously you have to select level ground floor, and also we have selected here, and also by clicking here you can select that. So obviously we'll select here ground floor level, and from here I'll select that line. Okay, and here this is our first point, this is our last point, and like that we have to create a boundary line, and till that point I'll come, and here and here I'll just stop. Okay, and when it's okay, after that simply, and also one thing, just if you click here two line, okay, if you click here two line, and if you click here apply, so it will not create, because it's showing your that line should be closed. So I'll just click continue, and I'll click modify, and I'll select both to delete, and I'll click where the structure, here architects, here boundary, and I'll just click apply. Okay, so so when it's okay, so I've clicked apply. Now I'll just see what happened here. So to see that, I'll just go in 3D view by clicking here 3D view, or here 3D double click. Now see a approach have created in bottom. So if I just rotate that, just see here a approach have created, and now if I see that in elevation view, now see here approach have created. I will just go here, wireframe, save project, so here this is our approach line, and this is for our approach structure. So if we click here, you see this is for our approach structure also. So in this way we have drawn that. Now what I'll do actually, I'll just again go first floor. Okay, and when I'm here in first floor, just see in first floor we have to do something here. We have to do a approach here. Okay, first of all we have to create a approach here. So how will create a approach here? So to create a approach, I'll just go here, similar architecture, then floor, just click here floor, right, and this is first floor. Okay, and this is first floor, and this is 12 24, but will not use 24 feet. So generic 12 inch, also I'll not use 12 inch. I'll just use a, I'll just edit. I will use a 20 duplicate. I'll take a 6 inch, okay, 6 inch wall, approach wall, and here I'll click edit, and here I'll just give 0 feet and 6 inch, okay, then okay, right, and again click ok. So it's created. Now here I'll take a line from here, and here I'll create our approach. Right here I'll create our approach. So what I'll do actually here, so from that point to that point, again from that point, and again I'll just create line here and here. Okay, so it's done. All right, it's done. And when it's done, now I'll simply click here, apply. So would you like to wall goes up to this floors level to attach this attach this bottom? No, I'm not going to do that. So now I'll just go in 3D view and see. Okay, see here a approach have created. Now I'll just control, I'll move that here. If I move that, and if I select that, okay, after selecting here I can create here offset. So I'll create an offset for 1 feet, negative 1 feet. Obviously it should be minus 1 feet, and if I click apply or take your mouse here, it's a move 1 feet down. But here we can see that this is under our, here this is under our wall, right? I mean our glass here in our glass level. So what we'll do actually, we can also move that glass level little bit down. So here the seal height 3, we can consider our seal height 2 feet. Just see, it's okay now, right? It's okay now. And one thing we can do that, we can increase the wall height. Okay, we can increase the wall height. To increase the wall height, what we have to do, just simply click anywhere here, and you can consider here. So consider this is 12 feet. So, okay, and see, when we have created that wall height, then it's also have increased its wall height. Okay, so I'll just escape and come here, modify, and just go to in 3D view. Just see, its wall height have been increased, and everything is okay except its wall height. Okay, now I'll just give it 3 feet. I'll just give it 3 feet. Okay, and I'll just decrease that little bit, 6 inch for its process. So here it's done. Now what I'll do, I'll just create now roof. Okay, so to create roof, what I'll do, again I'll just go first floor, right, and here after coming here, clear. I mean obviously you have to consider that corner point. So from here just come here again, floor, and we have the generic floor 6, it's okay, and it's first floor. So we'll take a line here, okay, and from that in line, this is one in line, then that side they have another. Actually this line is not visible, you have to carefully do that. So when it's done, now in that side again you have to do that carefully. So in that corner, in that corner, in here, and also here, and finally we have to go here. So it's done, right? It's done. After that, what we'll do, simply we have to click here, apply. So they have some error, the must be closed. So maybe they have some, yeah, they have some problem. And so from that point to that point, maybe we have missed that. So it's 6 inch. Okay, 6 inch line. So I'll just close that. Yeah, I'll just close, and again I'll go for floor. Okay, 6 inch, 1 feet height, and from here I'll just take a line. Okay, and carefully I'll just do that point and that point, and here that point, and obviously zoom it if the value is not visible, that point, then that point, then come here, that point, and finally here, that end. I hope it's okay now. Yeah, it's okay now. And after that I'll simply click here, apply, and it's now it's saying us, would you like to walls that go up this floors level to adjust to its bottom? Yes. Then yes, and just see, it's a created. Now if we just go in 3D view, just see, this have created, right? It's a created here, and if I just see, it's a created here. Now when it's okay, we have created our bottom and our top floor level or plinth level, and also with floor and approach. So in your next lecture I'm just going to show that how we'll draw the parapet wall here. Okay, how we'll create a parapet wall. So thank you for your support, and I hope you hear, that means you are learning something better. So best with us, and also support us, and keep loving. So thank you very much.